1 egg, vanilla, a quarter cup of white sugar, a quarter cup of brown sugar. Mix for 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Mix. A quarter cup of flour, a spoonful of cocoa powder, a quarter of a tablespoon of baking powder and some salt. In an oven at 175 degrees for 7 minutes. Boom.
You guys need to make these cookies. I promise you're not going to regret it. Add some sugar, brown sugar and salt into a bowl with some melted butter, and then you're gonna whisk that in until it becomes a paste. And then you're gonna add some vanilla extract, an egg, and whisk that until it becomes about this consistency. Then you're going to sift in some flour and some baking soda, and you're going to fold that in. Try not to over mix it because they'll become dense. And then you're going to add some chocolate of your choosing and fold that in, and then you're going to put the mixture in the fridge for at least half an hour. Make sure you do, it makes a world of difference. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees and scoop out balls of the batter onto a lined baking tray. You're going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes if you want them gooey, and about 15 minutes if you want them crunchy. Up to you. But they're going to look like this, and they're going to taste even better than they look.